I'm feeling great today. We are only 20 minutes late, waiting for the rest of the crew, and yeah, let's hope we can start driving to Amsterdam.
It's 15 past 7. It's AGF Amsterdam tomorrow, leaving very early so we can still enjoy a city trip.
I just arrived, the train had some problems, it's too cold, but we made it, let's go.
So, the first thing is, no, it's fucking late, 20 minutes, like every Spanish guy.
Hi.
Maybe South America, not Spanish, like all the South Americans are late. And yeah, we're just going. It's -0.5 degrees, so trains in Belgium stop driving, that's fucking usual. And yeah, we're going to Amsterdam, 47 minutes late.
Every day. Whoa! Let's go to Amsterdam matches. Zijn hier voor Aramiao bloggers.
Hey, start the fucking live stream.
Come on, Max.
Installing OBS, we're gonna be live.
Let's go.
We still have 1 hour and 17 minutes to go. On one side we have a misty view, on the other side it's clear. We're gonna get some coffee and food, and then we head to Amsterdam BJJ Academy to do some gi training, so stay tuned to see me in the gi.
Oh yes, coffee.
Cat and coffee.
Water water.
I'll tell you guys what we're gonna do. We just finished the driving, and Noah complaining he cannot drink alcohol because medications. He's just getting shots in his back because my jiu-jitsu pressure is too good. He working a lot and training jiu-jitsu every day. So yeah, we're going to the coffee shop now called Cat and Coffee for coffee. In probably half an hour we're gonna head to Amsterdam to BJJ Amsterdam Academy for some gi class. Yeah, can we filming? No. We're just filming before, but
All the cats are smelling my back for some reason.
Yeah.
Oh!
Do you have something to say, bro?
Zij herstiegen het nog zo.
Hey, is that
Inclusief. Ja, nu kun je zeggen. I don't know, yeah.
Jan keeps telling me I'm wearing a pyjama.
Pyjamas, yeah.
Tell me in the comments if it looks like a pyjama.
Hey, pajama. I like pajama, Adrian.
Cotton coffee was very good. I like the choco milk. So yeah, now we're heading to Amsterdam Jiu-Jitsu Academy, and we'll see you there.
Thanks for dojo storming us.
He thought I was gonna come with a white belt, but actually black belt and brown belt. And good music. So it's been a while since I trained the gi, but I managed to survive.
Oh, nice. Very nice class. I needed that. A little bit tired when I came, but now I'm feeling good. I just feeling I could go for another hour more. Yeah. But it is what it is.
Bro, you have any tips for me?
Yeah, train more gi. Start with learning how to tie the belt.
I think I did all right. We thought we had to stop rolling. They keep on rolling. Training vibes are done. Maxim got himself a rash guard. See ya, bro. Ooh.
It's nearly hour more. But I needed it. I'm feeling way better now.
Yeah. Os.
Na razie, dzięki.
See ya, bro. Thank you. It was a good training. We're heading to Central Station right now. And then we meet up with David and Jan.
In Amsterdam, we're looking like tourists because nobody knows where to go. Look my haircut.
3 minutes until the metro arrives. And we don't know what to eat, so...
No, speak English. Sorry. I am from Belgium. No speak English.
Takumi Asian food. We're gonna get some miso soup or some ramen. It's not so far away. See you there.
Let's go.
Not spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy?
Takumi here in Takumi in Amsterdam. Ramen.
Know how to do it. The one waitress showed me. And I can catch a fly now. Pop. or no one knows. Xin chào. It's Vietnamese. Good morning.
Good morning.
In Vietnamese.
Nice.
I ordered the miso ramen teriyaki. Miso was a very good choice. Very good.
What is the music band? Asian music. Yeah,
music from Asia?
What is the music van Asia? Eh? Tararan, tararan. Naruto Shippuden.
Maxim's technique is working. I can eat food now with chopsticks. Noe is sweating from the spices.
Picant. Oof.
Look at that beautiful sumo artwork. And 6 o'clock we have set up for AGF. Stay tuned, we're gonna show you how it's look. Pa! You're really drinking sake.
We're gonna try.
Heb je frisdie?
In Japan, they fill it all the way to the brim, and it's okay if it swells a bit, as long as the glass is completely full.
Okay, nice.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Peruvian mentality.
As you,
What's Peruvian mentality?
when they take you, put love.
Foot look.
Peruvian style.
It's okay.
Whoop.
Look what's going on. Set up on the full swing. We just, as you can see, guys, we're just setting up everything for tomorrow for AGF Amsterdam Open 2024. It's like second event this year in Amsterdam. I got very big sentiment to this because it was my first event. I was working and competing for AGF back in 2018 or 19. So I always like to come back to this sport hall. Employees here are very nice. They know us and they provide everything we need. And they give us free hand with setup, so it's always no problematic setup. And believe me, sometimes we got problematic too. And yeah.
So now we're setting up the stream for tomorrow through Smooth Comp. We have to log into Smooth Comp, fix all the settings, and then we're good to go. We can go home, back to the hotel, not home. Setup was good.
But no pire. As energy, eh? High energy.
Yeah, why
Was
is it
it?
high energy
High
before
energy.
sleep?
No, it was too hard setup to feel the sweat and good training in BJJ Amsterdam.
We had some good vibes in the lounge with the crew. Heading back to my room. It's already late, like 10:30, and we have to be at the venue at 8:20. So yeah, it's better to catch a good rest and have some fun tomorrow.